Hello student, in this lecture we will discuss commission payable to partner or manager. Sometime from the partnership firm, manager or partner entitled to get certain percentage of commission on net profit, and this commission calculate on the net profit. And there are two forms of calculation of commission on net profit. First form, if commission is to be paid on profit before deducting of such commission, means commission is calculated on the net profit before deducting such commission. In that case, commission is equal to net profit, and then is net profit into percentage of commission divided by 100. For example, partner entitled to get 5% commission on net profit before deducting such commission. In that case, net profit into 5 by 100 because condition before. Understand? Second form, if commission is to be paid on the profit after deduction of such commission. Students, here condition is commission is to be calculated on the net profit after deduction of such commission. In that case, commission is equal to net profit into percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage of commission. For example, manager or partner entitled to get 5% commission on the net profit after deduction of such commission. Students, after condition is after. In that case, net profit is equal to 5, rate of commission 5 divided by 100 plus 5, that is 105. Sometimes 6% commission on the net profit after deduction of such commission after condition. So 6 by 106, right? Sometimes 7%. So how to calculate commission 7%? It's 7 net profit into 7 divided by 107. Understand? Let us take exercise 3.2, page number 30. So students, first of all, open your textbook, page number 30, exercise 3.2. So open your textbook. Okay, in this question, two partners are given. Amruta and Divya are the partners of a firm. Their capital ratio is 3:2. Students, capital ratio is given, and profit of the business divided in the profit sharing ratio, not capital ratio. Amruta is to be paid 8% commission on net profit after deduction of such commission. Student, be careful. After deduction of such commission. Which condition is given? Which form is given? First or second? Yes, second. So what is formula? Net profit percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage commission. Here 8% commission is given, so net profit into 8 divided by 108. Profit, what amount will be received by Amruta if profit of the year is 96876? Profit is given in the example. Here profit means net profit. So how to calculate the example? First of all, we will calculate commission. What is mathematical formula of commission? First or second? Yes, second, because after condition is given. So commission is equal to Amruta's commission. Amruta's commission is equal to net profit into 8, means 8%, percentage of commission 8 divided by 108. What is net profit of the firm? So you are given that 96876 into 8 by 108. After making simplification, your commission is 7176. This is Amrita's commission, right? Now we are asked to calculate how much amount received by Amrita. So here Amrita received two amounts. Which two amounts? Commission and net profit, share in profit. So we are required to calculate share in profit of Amrita. So first of all, divided divisible profit. So divisible profit is equal to net profit. This is not divisible profit, net profit minus commission, because commission is an expense of partnership firm. So it should be deducted 96876 minus 7176. So what is your divisible profit? Your divisible profit is 89,700, right? This is total profit of the firm. Out of the total profit of the firm, Amrita share profit required. So what is profit sharing ratio? So be careful students, here 3:2 ratio is given, but it is capital ratio, and profit always distributed between partner in their profit sharing ratio. And we have seen that when profit sharing ratio is not given, so which ratio considered as per Indian Partnership Act 1932? Yes, it is equal ratio. So this profit divided between partner in their equal ratio. How many partners? 2. So Amrita's share in profit is equal to 89,700 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 1:1 ratio. So 1 share Amrita out of total set 2, because 2 partner. So 1 by 2. So what is your answer? 44850. This is sharing profit. Now calculate total amount received by Amrita. How much amount received by Amrita? Amrita received commission and divisible profit. So calculation of last step, total amount received by Amrita is equal to commission plus profit. Commission 7176 plus profit 44850. So what is total amount received by Amrita? The total amount received by Amrita is 52,026. So this is your final answer. So are you understand? So in this question you can see that step by step calculation is required. First step commission, second step divisible profit, this profit divided between Amrita's share, and then a total amount received by Amrita, right? Let us take another example of same method, which is given in your textbook, page number 15, illustration 2. So students, first of all open your textbook, page number 15, illustration 2, right? Here 3 partners are given: Hansa, Hitesh and Vijay, right? Their capital ratio is given. Student, again capital ratio is given. Capital ratio is not to be considered for the calculation of net profit. Hitesh is entitled to receive commission 10% of net profit after deduction. Again second form is given, after. So what is your formula? Net profit into percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage of commission. Okay, what amount received by Hitesh? Hitesh will get 2 amount, commission and profit. When profit of the firm is 1,65,000 at the end of the year, right? So students, same example. So first step is calculation of commission, Hitesh commission, right? So Hitesh is a partner. Hitesh commission is equal to net profit into percentage of commission, 10%. So 10 divided by 110. 110 means 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. So net profit is 1,65,000 into 10 divided by 110. So your answer is 15,000. Students, this is your net commission. Now second step, divisible profit. Divisible profit is equal to 1,65,000 profit minus 15,000. So 1,50,000. This is your divisible profit. Next step, share in profit. Hitesh share in profit. So Hitesh share in profit is equal to total profit 1,65,000 minus 15,000. 15,000 less. Okay, Hitesh share in profit. Sorry, Hitesh share in profit calculated by this way: 1,50,000 into Hitesh share in profit. Students, here 3:2:1 proportion is given, ratio is given, but be careful, this is capital ratio. And profit cannot be distributed in capital ratio. Profit is to be distributed in their profit sharing ratio. Again, profit sharing ratio is not given, so we assume that equal ratio. And here 3 partners are given. In previous question 2 partners are given, so 1:1. But 3 partners are given, so 1:1:1. Yeah, 1/3. So 1,50,000 into 1/3. So how much amount of profit? 50,000. And now total amount received by Hitesh is equal to commission plus profit. Commission plus profit. Commission 15,000 and profit 50,000. So how much amount received by Hitesh? 65,000. This is your final answer. 65,000 received by Hitesh. Are you understand? So be careful, because this is very important method for board examination. And this type of example means this example, exercise 3.2, was asked in board exam March 2020. Understand? Okay, thank you very much.